Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Common University Entrance Test, CUET Postgraduate Courses, CUET PG 2024. And in this video, I will give you information regarding the list of universities which are providing Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, Hospital MBA in Hospital Healthcare and Management. So information regarding hospital management courses by CUET PG 2024 will be given in this video. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, B.Ed, Yoga, Public Health, MBA and other courses. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And registration for CUET PG 2024 has already started. And first I am giving you important dates. From 26th of December 2023, CUET PG 2024 commencement, registration has started. Last date is 24th of January 2024 for online submission of application form up to 11:50 PM. And last date for online fee submission 25th of January 2024 up to 11:50 PM. And last date for correction in application up to 11:50 PM, 29th of January 2024. Now I will give you information regarding universities information which are providing courses in hospital management. So here we will go in courses and then courses, programs offered. Perform a quick search. We can type here hospital. So it will give information regarding hospital management courses. So here it is information matching course program list. First there is university name, then degree, program course offered, domain general, optional, language mapped to the program, eligibility for the program. So first here university, Apex University Jaipur, degree MBA, program course offered health and hospital management, code is CUQP 22, eligibility passed in bachelor degree, any discipline or equivalent obtained at least 50% marks. Then next is Apex University Jaipur, degree MBA, program course offered hospital management, code CUQP 22, eligibility passed in bachelor degree, any discipline or equivalent obtained at least 50%. Next is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University Delhi, program Master of Vocational MVoc, program course offered tourism and hospitality management, code is CUQP 11, CUQP 12, eligibility criteria, any graduate degree holder with minimum 50% marks from any recognized university, relaxation of 5% marks for SC, ST, PWBD, DOBC, NCL, Defense, Kashmiri or graduate with NSQF level 7, certificate in tourism and hospitality. Next is Amity University Noida, degree is MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, COQP 22, eligibility graduate preference will be given to Bachelor of Public Health, MBBS, BDS, Ayush, BSc Nursing, B.Pharm from recognized university and candidate with hospital healthcare related experience. Next is Amity University Noida, degree MBA, program MBA Hospitality Management, code COQP 12, eligibility bachelor degree, aggregate 50% with minimum score of MAT 500, GMAT 500, CMAT 150 or percentile in CAT, JAT 75, NMAT 200 or MET written test on the day of interview. Candidates should have appeared in any of the above tests between September 2022 and May 2023 only. Next is Assam University, degree MBA HTM, hospitality and tourism management, code is COQP 12, and eligibility having candidates having a bachelor degree in any discipline with at least 55% marks. Next is Baba Ghulam Sahab Badshah University, degree MBA HNT, hospitality and tourism management, code is COQP 12. Eligibility bachelor degree 10+2+3 pattern in any discipline or any other degree from a recognized university or passed final examination from the Institute of Chartered Accountants, Cost Accountants and Company Secretaries of India. Next is Centurion University of Technology and Management, Odisha, degree MBA, program Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 22, eligibility graduate science. Next is Centurion University of Technology and Management, Andhra Pradesh, degree MBA, program Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 22, eligibility graduate science. Next is Central University of Tamil Nadu, degree MBA, program Tourism and Hospitality Management, code COQP 12, eligibility any degree from a recognized university with a minimum of 55% marks, 50% marks for EWS OBC non-creamy layer and 45% marks for SC ST PWD candidates of graduate level. Candidates with a minimum of 2 years of hospitality industry and allied experience are preferred. Next is Dr. Hari Singh Gaud Visvadhyalaya, degree MBA, program Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 22, eligibility graduate in any discipline. Candidates belonging to unreserved EWS and OBC NCL categories must have secured at least 45% marks or equivalent CGPA. A relaxation of 5% marks in the qualifying examination will be given to the candidates belonging to SC, ST and PWD categories. Next is Footwear Design and Development Institute, degree MDS MBA, and General LLB, Bachelor of Library and Information Science, Defense and Strategic Studies, Jammu and Kashmir Studies, Hindu Studies, Women Studies, Anthropology, Digital Society, Finance and Taxation, Physical Education, Textile Design, Hospitality and Tourism Management, Gender Studies, etc. Code COQP 11. So these all are covered in COQP 11 code. Eligibility any bachelor degree program. Next is Footwear Design and Development Institute, degree MDS MBA, program Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 22, eligibility any bachelor degree program. Next is GD Goenka Gurugram NCR, degree MBA, program MBA in Hospitality and Tourism, code COQP 12, graduate in any science discipline, eligibility. Next is ITM Skills University, Navi Mumbai, degree MBA, program Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 22, eligibility a bachelor degree from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks in Ayurvedic, Homeo, Unani, Dental, Physiotherapy, Nursing, Pharmacy, Pharma, Medical Lab Technology, Biomedical and Biotechnology and Life Sciences subjects. Candidate with MBBS background with 55% marks are eligible to apply. Next is Jagannath University, Bahadurgarh, Haryana, degree MBA, program Master of Business Administration, Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 12, eligibility recognized bachelor degree of minimum 3 years duration, obtained at least 50% marks, 45% in case of candidates belonging to SC ST category at the qualifying examination. Next is Maharaja Bir Vikram College, degree MSc, program Master in Hospital Administration, code COQP 22. Eligibility candidates having bachelor degree in any one of the following from an institution recognized by respective council where applicable. For example, MBBS, BDS, IUS, BSc Nursing, Basic or Post Basic, B Pharm, BSc in Allied Health Sciences, or from any other University recognized by UGC. Next is Mahatma Jyoti Rao Phule University, degree MBA, program Hospitality and Tourism Management, code COQP 11, eligibility graduation with 50%. Next is Mahatma Jyoti Rao Phule University, degree MBA, program Hospital Management, code COQP 22, eligibility graduation with 50%. Next is Rayat Behra University, degree MBA, program Tourism and Hospitality Management, code COQP 12, eligibility a bachelor degree in any discipline from an approved university, college and institution of minimum 3 years after 10+2 examination from a recognized board with a minimum aggregate of 50%. Next is Rayat Behra University, degree master in hospital administration, program hospital administration, code COQP 22, eligibility MBBS or BDS or BMLS, BSc MLT, BSc RIT, MRIT, nursing or equivalent subject from institute university recognized by UGC with minimum 50% aggregate marks, 45% in case of candidate belonging to reserved categories. Next is Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, degree MBA. Then these are the codes and eligibilities. Eligibility graduation with 50% marks. Codes are COQP 1, COQP 08, COQP 10, COQP 12, COQP 22, SCQP 19, SCQP 27, SCQP 09, SCQP 11, HUQP 18, HUQP 20, HUQP 12. Next is Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TISS, degree MA, program master in hospital administration, code COQP 11. Eligibility candidates should have first successfully completed a 3-year bachelor degree in any discipline, or second bachelor degree in medicine, paramedical sciences, and another 4-year program in pharmacy, veterinary sciences, engineering and law. Third, candidates who successfully completed all the requirements of their final year degree, including all examination and internship. Next is University of Hyderabad, degree MBA, program Healthcare and Hospital Management, code COQP 1222. Eligibility a bachelor degree from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks in Ayurvedic or Homeo, Unani, Dental, Physiotherapy, Nursing, Pharmacy, PharmD, Medical Lab Technology, Biomedical, Biotechnology and any life sciences subject. Candidate with MBBS background with 55% marks are eligible to apply. Work experience in the medical or health care sector is highly desirable. So in this video, information regarding hospital administration and hospital health and hospital management programs are given, and names of the universities has been given which are providing these courses. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for CUT PG, Master in Hospital Administration, Master of Public Health, and for other universities like AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPS, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university institutes which provides public health, hospital management, yoga, B.Ed, mass communication, MBA, etc. And students who are preparing for these exams, and for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.